You have no heart. You have no heart.
Yo, what's up? Hey, hope you like the new intro. It's pretty tough in my opinion. Subscribe if you like the video for a cookie and Robux. Yo, this is my gold Ironsing build. This build is tough, I swear to you. The king of Ironsing. Hey, we getting right into it, PvP. That's it, let's go.
You have no heart. You have no heart.
Do you even know I think about you? Too much pride, babe, I gotta take it out you. Too damn hard to call you back, I swear I was about to. Keep your cosign, rapper, keep that clout too. Keep that cosign, boy, it's not about you. That bitch 12 o'clock, keep this room 60 degrees. Pop say put it in investments, gang say put it in the weed. They know that I'm not no hoe, but love my hoes, but that's just me. How the fuck you number one if I'm alive? How the fuck you say you love me, but don't care, you fucking lie? Why you getting jealous of these trial hoes? I'm fucking tired. Honey berry backward on this blunt, but I'm so fucking fried. Every word is true cause I got tired of the cap. Make you my attention cause I'm tired of the basic. Used to be my high when I got tired of the rap. It's a lot of love lost, feeling like you faked it. But when she ever calling my designer aces, bitch, I'm not gon' text you if you acting like you hate it. Love me and you hate me, but you love the way I say it. To myself, these niggas fake like take your places. Do you even know I think about you? Too much pride, babe, I gotta take it out you. Too damn hard to call you back, I swear I was about to. Keep your cosign, rapper, keep that clout too. Keep that cosign, boy, it's not about you. That bitch 12 o'clock, keep this room 60 degrees. Pop say put it in investments, gang say put it in the weed. They know that I'm not no hoe, but love my hoes, but that's just me. Off singing, gang got rich off flipping hands. Let's see, I can step and rack up on my fucking pants. I stuck to the script, all this shit was part of the plan. She said, Jay's why I get DMs from your fucking friends. I got rich off singing, gang got rich off flipping hands. Let's see, step and rack up on my fucking pants. I stuck to the script, all this shit was part of the plan. She said, Jay's why I get DMs from your fucking fans. I got my money, keep up with me, bitch. This shit I love you, not stuck with me, bitch. Tired of the game, you go buy some niggas, I'm better than watch how you fuck with me, bitch. You got some money, but you not rich. You got some jeans, you moving stiff. You had a girl, I stole that bitch. You had some spot, I stole that shit. You was gonna run up, you folded quick. You feeling threatened, you told him quick. That's not your weapon, you holding it. That's not your bestie, I gave him a follow-up because he told me right where you live. I could keep going, but I didn't know. Exotic bitches get head on the tour bus, get to the hotel, they tryna fuck. I got rich off singing, gang got rich off flipping hands. Let's see, I can step and rack up on my fucking pants. I stuck to the script, all this shit was part of the plan. She said, Jay's why I get DMs from your fucking friend.